In today's video, I'm going to teach you the quickest way to display, add, or change holidays from another country in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a trip, coordinating events with international friends, or just curious about global holidays, this simple process is here to streamline your schedule seamlessly. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to your Google Calendar. Once you're signed in, it's time to expand your calendar view to include other countries' holiday schedules. This is especially useful if you're someone who manages multiple projects across different time zones or cultures. On the left side of your Google Calendar interface, you'll see an option labeled Other Calendars. Click on the plus icon next to it. This small symbol opens a world of possibilities, allowing you to incorporate more than just your personal and work events into your calendar. Selecting it will present you with a menu providing different options to explore. From the menu that appears, choose the option Browse Calendars of Interest. This feature is like a hidden gem, offering a variety of calendars including astronomical events, sports schedules, and of course holidays from around the world. As you delve into the world of international calendars, look for the section titled Regional Holidays. Here you'll find a button that says Browse All. Clicking on this will open up a detailed list of countries and their local holidays. This part of Google Calendar is designed to make your life easier by letting you bring the colourful tapestry of global festivities and public holidays right into your schedule. In this list, the power really is in your hands. You can check the boxes next to the countries or regions whose holidays you'd like to include in your calendar. Maybe you're managing a multinational team, or you're just trying to remember when your friend in another part of the world is celebrating. Whatever the reason, selecting these holidays will automatically display them in your Google Calendar. Similarly, perhaps you'd like to declutter your calendar or remove irrelevant holidays. Simply uncheck the boxes of the countries or regions you wish to exclude. This process not only helps in managing time more efficiently, but also in staying culturally aware, which can be quite enriching. By integrating these holidays, you gain the capability to plan better, avoid scheduling conflicts, and maybe even learn a bit about the traditions of each place. And that's it. Now you have the know-how on how to display, add, or change holidays from different countries in your Google Calendar, making it an even more versatile and global tool. Enjoy exploring the world right from your calendar screen.